People use text and pictures to share their ideas, like cave paintings, and later, books made possible by the printing press.
With cave sound, the invention of the phonograph, and later the radio allowed people to listen to music, stories, and news from far away. Audio became an important part of multimedia.
Camera action. Moving pictures arrive. Movies combines with visual and sounds, creating powerful storytelling experiences that people love.
Television brought multimedia right into everyone's home. It makes videos, sound, image, and perfect for entertainment, learning, and information.
Game computer. For the first time, text, graphics, audio, and video could all come together in one device. Multimedia became interactive. You could create, edit, and design like never before.
And then, the internet changed everything. It connected people worldwide. Multimedia became global website, streaming, social media, and online games. Everything was just one thing.